Hello everyone, today we get that smartwatch. The power button is not working after the customer dropped it to the ground. Alright, the top button is not working. Let's remove the 4 screws. Alright, this one that opens the iPhone. I don't know this watch, it's my first time working on that watch. It's called gtap. It's a gtap. Alright. I didn't saw that at the beginning. It's a gtap watch. Let's remove these parts. Alright, let's try to remove the back. I don't know what's inside and how to open it. I'm just trying. You can follow my lead. Alright, let's make a gap so we can go through it. You have to be patient, try everything. We are going to take some area to go under it. Alright, the knife is making a difference. So the back is glued to the frame. Alright, that's why it's not removing easier. So let's remove that adhesive. Easy. We have 2 flex cables connected to the other parts. Alright, we have 2 parts, right to the left. There is 2 wire connection. We have to unplug it. You can see these. It's on the left now and at the top now. There is another one we should remove. I'm checking if there is something we may damage or we may not look at it. Alright, we have 2 parts. Let's check. First part, it's working, but I missed the button. This 2 also is working. At the second, I press the working one, and this is the non-working one. Alright, let's try with that button. Seems it's the metal is damaged, maybe from the inside or something stuck on there. I'm putting some alcohol into it to know what or how to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. I'm trying different ways. Alright, let's try with another part to push it up, push it down, pull it up. I don't know, whatever. Try some different methods. Push down, push in. See if the power is working. It should be just this one should be go in and go out, go in and go out. There is no technique with that button. This is alcohol. Make a circle. I don't know what was made to that button, but somehow it's going to work. No, it's pressed now. Alright, that's perfect. I don't know how it worked and the way to make it work, but this one is working now. Now I'm going to put the flex cables. Sometimes we try something new or it's just worked. Alright, the button is working. Which one was not working? It's the top one. It's the top, not the down. The top one was not working, so everything is working. I'm going to assemble. Our job has been done. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.